So my students through the YSD program learn a lot of real-world hands-on skills. Everything I'm teaching in the manufacturing, engineering, and technology, it's a great way for them to go on the job, meet real employers, real companies, see the real flow of how the workforce is.
So they're leaving the YSC program with one OSHA certification. We help them get that, and then they also get experience with interviewing, and they learn interview skills, and we help them build their resume, and then also getting out into the field and working with employers.
To me, the YSC program exists to build that exposure for students and industries that you don't need a 4-year degree to make a really good living. I have plenty of examples in my current shop where they wish they would have just started at BTD, and plenty of other examples of individuals that in 5 years were able to make 6 figures.
So what's great about the YSC program, not only is the students learning some skills in the schools for high demand trade industries, is they get the ability to come out in those industries and see the real world application of what they're learning.